Cap Bets, Ashish Kyal of Wave Strategy, and he'll be joined with Rahul of Motilal as well. Coming to you, Ashish, first, what do you make of the minor downtick that we've seen on the Nifty today? Is that just routine, or does it signify a further downside in the Nifty?
Afternoon, Mangalam. See the overall trend on Nifty that we have seen over past few days. The movement has been in an overlapping fashion. So from 7,800 to 7,950, it has taken 3 to 4 days to just cover 100 points. So I'm not too optimistic as of now. I think we can again retest back towards 7,800 level, and then the uptrend should start. So overall, in a nutshell, there can be sideways movement unless and until we see a cross above 8,000, which is the psychological level, and the support at 7,800 is intact. So a range can be between 8,000 and 7,800 is what can be expected over short term on Nifty, and over medium term, once the 8,000 breaks, then the momentum on upside should pick up.
Hi Ashish, take us through your buy recommendations for today.
Sure. See, the first call on the buy side will be Kajaria Ceramics. This stock has been moving in an upward sloping channel and has been taking a very strong support near 20 days moving average. And also from the moving average crossover concept, if we check, the short-term moving average has constantly moving above the longer one. So the trend will be positive in this stock, and one can buy Kajaria Ceramic with a stop loss of 914, and target can be expected at 1,005. The next stock on the buy side will be Bajaj Holding. This stock has been moving again in a higher high, higher low fashion, which is a precursor for a positive trend. So as long as this structure is intact, the trend should continue on upside. So one can buy Bajaj Holding with a stop loss of 1680, and target can be expected at 1800, which is at the channel resistance. And if that 1800 level is broken, then further upside can be seen in this stock. And the third buy will be Deepak Fertilizer. If you check the chart of this stock, over past 1 year, this stock has been consolidating in the range of around 145 to 120, and formed a very classical inverse head and shoulder pattern with the neckline near 145, 148, which is decisively broken in today's session. And the uptrend should continue from here, and for the target level of 182 as per the HNS projection, and the stop loss should be maintained at 145.
All right, Rahul. Not only are people flying, they're all.
See, Marico and Imami can continue to trade on the higher side because the stock trend is positive. Even in Marico, if you check, the low was formed near 375 just by the start of November, and it has constantly moved higher. So Marico is definitely positive, and one can maintain a stop loss of 410 on this stock. And target on upside for Marico can be expected somewhere around 460 levels.
Okay. You've also got a sell call on Exide. What could be the extent of downside?
See, Reema, in Exide Industries, we have seen that there has been a selling pressure for quite some time now, and this stock has failed to generate any kind of returns for the investors. And even recently, it touched a high of 150 and constantly moving lower from there. So I think over short term, this downtrend should continue and move towards 137 level, which is the previous low. And one should maintain a stop loss of 150 on this stock.
All right. Keep an eye out on the markets now. The markets have slipped to the low point of the